Morning, Committee on Parole called to order today. It's Thursday, the 30th, 9:46 a.m. My name is Brendan Kelsey, along with me is Ms. Cheryl Officer, Mr. Alvin Roche, staff proceeded at DOC headquarters in Baton Rouge. Our remote location is East Baton Rouge Parish Prison with staff and support at East Baton Rouge. Please introduce yourself.
I'm Lieutenant Miles, intake and release.
All right, Lieutenant, thank you. Ready for our first case? Please introduce yourself, state your name and DOC number for the record.
Tyrone Huff, 459595.
All right, Tyrone. You heard the introduction for parole revocation hearing. I'll read the charges. You'll read guilty. You'll plead guilty, not guilty, guilty with a statement, or not guilty with a statement. We'll ask you questions. You can respond. Then you can make a statement. We'll take a vote. Do you understand the process? You understand the process, Tyrone?
Yes, sir.
Do you have a parole revocation questionnaire in front of you?
Yes, sir.
That your signature at the bottom?
Yes, sir.
Read and write?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Tyrone Huff, DOC number 459595. Rule number 4. You failed to refrain from criminal activity as evident by your arrest on July 23rd, 2022, the charge of domestic abuse, battery with child endangerment. For the violation of protective order, you were billed under 19 JDC under DC 22-03967 with domestic abuse battery, second offense in violation of protective order. On February 1st, 2023, you entered a guilty plea to the amended charge of disturbing peace. And sentenced to be confined to East Baton Rouge for a period of 90 days and to be given credit for time served. How do you?
Guilty.
When you were released on good time supervision, the agent questioned you regarding your relationship with the current victim, Richelda Huff. You led the agent to believe that you and Richelda Huff dealings. However, the arrest reports, this is not the case. The arrest defense report indicates that you were living with the victim. You did not truly answer the questions directed to Agent Doxley. How do you plead?
I plead guilty. I wasn't living with her though.
Okay. Number 10, you're currently $504 in arrears and fees. Payment the officer received was on May 2022 for $63. How do you plead?
Not guilty.
Okay, well, tell me what's up. So you plead guilty. Tell me what happened. Tell me what's going on. What happened? I mean, something happened. I got the police report, so you might as well tell me what happened. Obviously, something went down because you got charged. You took a plea. There was children around involved. There was domestic abuse was involved, but you took a plea. I understand, but something happened, and tell me what happened.
We had got into an argument at her residence, and my daughter had called the police.
Why she call the police?
When she I guess she got kind of scared or something.
Why'd she get scared?
Because we were making a lot of noise, arguing.
You were hitting her mama?
No, sir.
You didn't lay any hands on her?
No, sir. Only thing I did was when she grabbed the PlayStation controller, when she jacked it off the dresser, I grabbed it, and that was it. That's the only time I put my hands on her.
How long? You were living there with her? I thought you weren't having a relationship with her.
No, I wasn't living with her. I was living with my father.
But you were just hanging out with her?
Yes, sir. I had got a call earlier for help her move.
Sound like y'all were together. Y'all didn't need to be together, huh?
Yes, sir. She had called me.
How long were you out of jail before you got picked up?
4 months.
You working?
Yes, sir. I was working.
What are you doing?
I was doing a forklift operation at GEXO in Port Allen.
So, I mean, what's the deal? Why y'all fighting and arguing? I know you have a child involved. It doesn't mean you need to be fighting and arguing.
The child was the grandbaby, my step grandbaby. She was in in the other room with the daughter that had called the police.
Right. There's multiple children there, but the daughter called the police. She was scared. That's your daughter?
No, that's my stepdaughter.
How old is she?
She's 20. Well, she should be 21 now.
She can kind of figure herself out what was going on.
Yes, sir.
So how long you been in jail?
8 months.
What's your plans if you're to be released? Where are you gonna, what you gonna do?
Plan to go back to work and stay away from my wife. Since I've been here, I joined the faith dome, the Christian dome, and plan to go to church and start off right.
Okay. All right. Would you like to make a statement on behalf?
Excuse me, I didn't hear you.
Make a statement on your behalf. Would you like to make a statement?
Yes, sir. I would appreciate it if I get remanded for parole again. If I can be out there with my family. I have a son that's 8 years old.
Okay. All right, panel, prepare to vote. I'll vote first. Listen, you know, it's a bad situation that you're in. You know, you pled guilty to charges. I find you guilty to those charges. You know, I think you need to take some anger management and some classes while you're there. I think there's some things that you can do. I'm just, you know, I find you guilty of those rule violations, so I'm just not prepared to let you go. My vote is to parole. Ms. Renata.
I do concur. You pled guilty to violating number 4, number 7, and I also find you guilty of violating number 10. I vote today is true.
Mr. O'Shea.
Mr. Chairman, my vote is the same for the same reasons.
All right, 3 votes to revoke today. Your parole's been revoked. Good luck to you. We'll adjourn at East Baton Rouge Parish at 9:53.